Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 2 log x minus 2y is equals to log x plus log y to find the value of x over y. In the first step, from log condition in here, x minus 2y should be a positive. Also, for this, x should be a positive, and this y should be a positive, right? And here, if we take this to this side, it will be x should be greater than 2y, right? And if we divide both of this equation by y, this divided by y and this divided by y, it will be x over y should be greater than 2. So this is this and this are problem condition. So in here we have 2 log x minus 2y is equals to log x plus log y. And from log rules in here, if we have log x plus log y, we can write this as log x times y, right? So write 2 log x minus 2y is equals to log x times y. And in next step, as you know, if we have log a to power of b, we can write this as b times log a. So in here we can take this b outside of log, it will be b times log a. Also, from right to left, if we have b times log a, we can write in this form, log of a to power of b. So in here we have 2 times log this, so we can write log x minus 2y. We can take this to this power, it will be to power of 2 is equals to log x y, right? So in here, by comparing both of this equation, log of this is equals to log of this, so this is equals to this. So we write x minus 2y to power of 2 is equals to x times y. And here it will be x squared minus 2 times x times 2y, it will be 4xy, and plus this to power of 2 is 4y squared is equals to xy. And next step, we take this to this side and it will be x squared. In here we have negative x times y, and we take this to this side, it will be negative xy. So negative 4xy minus xy, it will be negative 5xy, and plus 4y squared is equals to 0. And here we divide both of this equation by y squared, so it will be this divided by y squared and this divided by y squared. And it will be, we separate this, it will be x squared over y squared minus 5xy over y squared and plus 4y squared over y squared is equals to 0. And it will be, in here we can write this as x over y to power of 2 and minus this y divided by y to power of 2, this y will cancel this and it will be y, so we have 5 times x over y, right? Plus this will cancel this and it will be 4 is equals to 0. So in next step, we let x over y as u. So we rewrite this equation and it will be u squared minus 5u plus 4 is equals to 0. And here we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of u squared is 1 and b is coefficient of u is negative 5 and c is constant is 4. So in here u is equals to negative b, negative 5 is positive 5, plus or minus square root of b square, negative 5 square is 25, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and c is 4. And over 2a is 2. So u is equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 4 times 1 times 4, it will be 16, and over 2. And here it will be u is equals to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 16, it will be 9. So square root of 9 is 3, and over 2. And here we have u1 is equals to 3 plus 5 plus 3 is 8, and over 2 is 4, and u2 is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2, and over 2 is 1. So we have two answers for u. And next step, we recall this x over y is equals to u. So in here, x over y is equals to 4, and from here, x over y is equals to 1. And next step, we check our condition. In here, x over y should be greater than 2. So in here, x over y is 1, so this is less than 2, so we reject this answer. And here, x over y is 4, and this is greater than 2, so this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.